Hi everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. It is Sunday, May 1st at 6:45 p.m. and this is the stock trading watch list for the week of May 2nd, 2011. CHBT is a carryover from the previous week and the week before that. Half off was taken at $9.44. Stops are $9.24 on the rest, locking in $1, so that's a good stop. And $10.44 is the target for the last piece. Came 4 cents shy on Thursday. OVTI, OmniVision Technologies, nice coil here above the moving averages. 34.09 entry, 33.29 stop, 80 cent risk. 40 cent gain, move stops to entry. Looking for half off plus 1 and then seeing where it goes from there. Here is Universal Display, PANL is the symbol. 55.81 entry, 53.31 stop, 80 cent gain, moves stops to break even, half off plus 3, 63.48 the last target, which is 10 cents above this, 10 cents below this high. Now, it's a $2.50 stop, but please remember, doesn't matter if it's $2.50, $1, 40 cents, it's all one unit unless otherwise noted. That means it's the same risk, risking $2.50 here as it is 80 cents here. Okay, if there's any confusion on this, feel free to contact me, because that brings us to Rediff. Rediff.com, REDF. 15.69 entry, 18.09 stop, move stops after a 70 cent gain and half off plus 250. So people may say, wow, $2.40 risk on a $15 stock. Holy mackerel. It doesn't matter. The size of the stop doesn't matter. All you do is adjust the share size in order to stay in your 1 unit of risk. Now, Rediff is in a little mini parabolic move here. It tagged the 62% retracement of this big swing down that brought the stock to under $1.40, had the reversal candle followed by an inside candle. So I'm looking for this to pull back at least to the fast-moving averages and possibly this gap down here. So it doesn't matter the size of the stop as far as price is concerned. All that matters is how you adjust it based on your units. Okay, and then ALXN. Okay, ALXN 93.63 entry with a 98.83 stop, $2.20 stop, 65 cent gain, move stops, half off plus 250, and the final target is 91.73. This looks like it could be a topping pattern here. We're still above the 200-day moving average, but I like the way how the moving average, the 50-day moving average, the 10-day, and the 20 EMA came in and stuffed this little bounce here. So we're watching this as a potential short side trade. And then finally, WTI. WTI is a half-size trade. Had a nice impulse on, I believe this is Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday. And then the rest of the week it just chopped around. The reason that it's half-size is this may be enough of a consolidation to get it going from here, or it might want to dip a little more. I don't want to just keep getting wiggled and wiggled and wiggled, so I'd rather go smaller size on this one. Half size, 27.23 long, $1 stop. That means that if this stops out, it would lose half as much as OVTI, which had an 80 cent stop. Okay, that's what a half unit means. Move stops after a 50 cent gain, half off plus 1, quarter off plus 2, and a quarter off plus 4. Now, I have 2 stocks that I'm going to look at now that I'm not giving triggers on. They're just yours to put on your own watch list, determine your own entries, whatever you want to do. They're not going to be managed. All right. The first one looks like a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Financial Engines, just a nice base here, taking its time, forming its base, but it doesn't qualify for the watch list because the volume is too low. Okay. I do not look at stocks usually that are under 300,000 average 50-day volume. Okay, this has a 200,000 average 50-day volume. Look at the intraday chart. Just absolutely choppy and brutal. Now, that doesn't mean it can't get moves. I mean, it surely has. It surely had some good moves, but this is just one for you to watch on your own. I'm not putting a trigger or a stop or anything on this one. Same with VRX. Now, VRX, I don't have a problem with the volume, But this one, in my opinion, should be on a day trading list and just watching to see if it will trigger off of this range and maybe be able to grab it intraday. Because as you can see here, you're getting a lot of wiggles. And, if it looks like it's breaking out here. No, it's not. Oh, it looks like it's falling. No, it's not. So there's a lot of wiggles on this one. So once again, it's not going to be managed. And as always, check all the earnings dates and everything else, any new company news coming up. Stuff like that. So 5 stocks, and I'll review them real quick here since I breezed through this video. First is Redif, okay, REDF. The second is OVTI. The third is Universal Display. The fourth is ALXN. The fifth is WTI. And then we have CHBT, which is a carryover. Talk to everybody in the Forex video and then in the management of this watch list video, which I'll put out tomorrow. Have a great trading week.